Introducing the Oasis 2900 Patio Shades and Insect Screens from Insolroll. Durable, exterior-grade shades that provide cool, bug-free comfort for your outdoor space, maximizing the time you can spend outside relaxing and entertaining. To ensure long-lasting performance, here are a few important tips for proper use and maintenance. Avoid operating the shade in freezing temperatures. Fabric could crumple, tear, or come out of the zipper. Do not operate the shades during a wind event. It is better to leave the shades in the up or down position rather than bringing them up during a wind gust. Keep the shade and tracks clear of obstructions such as patio furniture, toys, bird or insect nests, and snow or ice buildup. Some noise is normal over time, especially if the shade hasn't been used in a while. Running it up and down a few times can help reduce noise, though a slight noise is expected. Avoid using lubricants like silicone spray or WD-40. Instead, we recommend rinsing the tracks with a garden hose to clean. We are thrilled for you to experience your new Oasis patio shade. Enjoy screened-in comfort and privacy for your deck, patio, porch, or pergola. Your outdoor space just got an upgrade.